Lesson 3, Weather. This is one of our favourite topics in Ireland, so as before, listen and repeat. It is hot. Tá sé te. It is sunny. Tá sé grianmhar. The sky is blue. Tá an spéir gurm. It is 25 degrees today. Tá an teocht ag 25 céim inniu. It's a fine day. Lá bra. It's hot and sunny and the sky is blue today. Tá sé te agus grianmhar agus tá an spéir gurm inniu. Now, on to not so good weather. Listen and repeat. It is cold. Tá sé fuair. It is cloudy. Tá sé scamalach. The sky is grey. Tá an spéir lia. There is a strong breeze. Tá Gaeilge ann. The weather is terrible. Tá an aimsir uafásach. It's cold today with a strong breeze. Tá sé fuair inniu agus tá an Gaeilge. The sky is blue and it's 25 degrees today. Tá an spéir gurm agus tá an teocht ag 25 céim inniu. It's cloudy with a strong breeze today. Tá sé scamalach agus tá Gaeilge ann inniu. Now try saying today is cold and cloudy. Tá sé fuair agus scamalach inniu. Good. Now what about it's hot and the sky is blue? Tá sé te agus tá an spéir gurm. Uh-oh, here comes the rain. Okay, as always, listen and repeat. It is drizzling. Tá salachar báistí ann. It's pouring rain. Tá sé ag stella báistí. There are hailstones. Tá clocha sneachta ann. It will snow tonight. Tá sneachta anocht. What is the forecast? Cad é túr na haimsire. There are hailstones and it will snow later. Tá clocha sneachta ann agus beag sé a cur sneachta níos déanaí. Is rain forecast tonight? Will báisteach gealta anocht? Now try saying, it's drizzling rain tonight. Tá salachar báistí ann anocht. Now the weather in the different seasons. In spring you get sun and showers. Sa nearach bíonn idir rian agus ceama ann. In summer you get long sunny days. Sa saoire bíonn leitheanta fada grianmhara a gcuine. In autumn, strong winds blow the leaves off the trees. San óir, séideann Gaeilge na duilleoga de na crainte. In winter, it rains a lot. Sa dhíomhre, bíonn sé cur báistí go minic. Sometimes we get snow and ice. Uaireanta, bíonn siuc agus sneachta againn. Can you say in autumn you get strong winds in Irish? San óir, bíonn gae láidir againn.